In this video, I'll show you how to clear listening history on Spotify. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. At first, open up your Spotify, click on your library, click on data saving and offline. So scroll down, you're going to be able to see remove all downloads or clear cache. So if you click on the clear cache, you're going to be able to clear your listening history most times, or you can be able to remove all the downloads. Then the next way you can be able to do this, you're going to be able to log out your Spotify account. If you log out your Spotify account, I think you're going to be able to temporarily remove everything that you're currently listening to. Then the third way you can be able to do this is you're going to be able to delete your account here on Spotify. I think these are the three ways that can work well for you. Let me know the one that would go well for you if you try it. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, please do well to ask me below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.